नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department from Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about tinnitus. Before this, we have discussed many topics related to ear, nose and throat. And today we are taking a topic which is related to diseases of inner ear. And let's begin. Any sound that is perceived by the listener that does not originate from any external sound source is called as tinnitus. It means that the patient hears the sound, but actually there is no any source of sound. There is only sensation of sound, but the patient hears this. May be perceived in one or both ears, peripheral, and or in the head, that is central. 60% cases are bilateral, 30% unilateral, and 10% cases are central. The word tinnitus came from tinere, which is a Latin word and which means to ring. Now there are different types of sounds which are heard in tinnitus. It may be ringing sound, hissing, buzzing, roaring, clicking, ocean sound, saccades, pulsating, or a heartbeat sound. Causes of tinnitus. Most commonly it is caused by some sort of change to the auditory system. 80% of patients with sensorineural hearing loss have tinnitus. Hearing loss results in changes in the neural activity of the auditory system, which the auditory cortex interprets as sound. Much like phantom limb syndrome, areas of cochlea where there is hair cell damage can no longer amplify sounds where damage has occurred, so a phantom sound is interpreted by the brain. Other causes of tinnitus. Hearing loss, especially in cases of noise-induced hearing loss. Internal or middle ear issues like wax in ear or fluid in ear. Acoustic neuroma, which is responsible for unilateral tinnitus. Medications, sinus, allergy issues, dental issues like temporomandibular joint syndrome, cardiovascular, neurological, and stress and anxiety can also cause tinnitus. Medication that cause tinnitus are anti-inflammatory drugs, antibiotics, antidepressant, aspirin, quinine, loop diuretics, and chemotherapy drugs. Now let's study what are the types of tinnitus. Tinnitus is generally divided into two types, subjective tinnitus and objective tinnitus. Subjective can only be perceived by the patient. They are the most common type, occur in 95% of cases. Objective tinnitus can be heard by others. They are rare. Less than 5% of all tinnitus cases are objective tinnitus, usually pulsatile in nature, that is asynchronous with heartbeat. Causes include vascular or muscular. Now let's study causes of objective tinnitus. They are generally vascular in nature. Arteriovenous aneurysm, glomus jugular tumor are responsible for this type of tinnitus. Muscular cause may be there, that is patent eustachian tube, palatal myoclonus, involuntary muscle jerk of the roof of the mouth, spasms of stapedius or tensor tympani muscle. Bothersome uncompensated tinnitus. Only about 20% of people with tinnitus are bothered by it. The tinnitus itself isn't the problem, but the person's reaction to it is what is problematic. Tinnitus may result in irritability, fatigue, sleep disturbances, depression, suicidal thoughts. This patient need to be referred to a mental hospital or mental health professionals. Now there is a vicious cycle which is related to tinnitus. First of all, the patient gives attention to the tinnitus. Because of this, the emotional reaction can come out. That is, the limbic system. It negative limbic system gives negative emotional labeling to the tinnitus. Autonomic system activation of the fight or flight mechanism. Patient think that can this tinnitus harm me? This produces stress in the patient, and stress amplifies the tinnitus signals. So the tinnitus now becomes louder, and because of this the attention again is diverted toward the tinnitus. So this is how the cycle continues. Treatment of tinnitus. Surgical as well as medical treatment are advised. Surgical treatment are uncommon options, and ablation therapies, ablation procedures can be applied for treatment of tinnitus. Medications are usually Xanax, Valium and antidepressant drugs. Dietary restrictions like caffeine, alcohol and salt restrictions. Masking, counseling, cognitive behavioral therapy, tinnitus retraining therapy, sound treatment, that is neuromonics, can be used. Masking, use of noise to temporarily mask or cover up the tinnitus so it cannot be perceived. This is often successfully accomplished when patients with hearing loss use traditional hearing aids. The amplification of environmental noise often reduces or completely masks tinnitus. Our newest generation hearing aids have optional tinnitus maskers built in for when hearing aids aren't enough to mask the tinnitus. Masking, there are companies that manufacture tinnitus markers for those with normal hearing, maybe in the ear with or very large vent, or a behind the ear, that is open ear device. The use of sound machine or external noise sources, that is ceiling fan, can be very helpful at night. It masks the effect of tinnitus. Different type of noise are utilized in masking, like white noise, pink noise, brown noise, gray noise. They all have varying complexity based on frequency components. Tinnitus retraining therapy. Jostribov created this therapy. Combines counseling with the use of noise generators. Counseling classify tinnitus to a category of neural signals, and sound therapy weaken the tinnitus related neural activity. Goal of this therapy: habituation to the tinnitus, no longer pay attention to it. Neuromonics 6 to 8 month therapy protocol is there. Uses spectrally modified music that has been tailored according to the each patient's hearing and tinnitus characteristics, combined with an underlying neural stimulus, retrains the brain to filter out tinnitus disturbances. It is very expensive, cost near about $5,000 for treatment that lasts less than 1 year. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with the digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.